Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change your profile picture on TikTok. Changing your TikTok profile picture is a simple way to personalize your account and make it more recognizable. Start by opening the TikTok app on your phone and going to your profile. Tap on Edit Profile. Here you will see an option called Change Photo. You can either take a new photo or upload one from your gallery. To upload a photo from your gallery, tap Upload Photo. Select the photo you want to use and tap Next. Adjust the photo within the frame as needed. Tap Save to apply the changes. The new profile picture will appear immediately on your profile and on your videos. That's it. You've learned how to change your TikTok profile picture using Edit Profile. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other DelfStack tutorial videos.